Hey, good morning, team, and welcome to week one of organizational change. So, in this week, we're going to read chapter one of John Carter's Lead and Change and chapter one and two of Bridges' book. And you have two discussion boards this week and a paper due. And so, what I really want you guys to focus on, right? Explore John Carter's website. He has a great website. I put the link there in Blackboard. And he goes through all of the 8 steps and gives some good examples. In our paper, which is going to be in APA format, it's only 2 pages. So your third page, notice that it's not 3 pages, of content. It's 2 pages of content, and 1 page will be your references in APA formatting. I want you to explore a change that you want to do for your final project. You'll also do a checklist. You'll be doing a checklist every week. It's a small checklist based on Bridges change. So, like I said, there's 2 discussion boards. So here's what I'm going to do for you this week, right? I want everybody to post an initial post into each discussion board. Remember, that's Friday by midnight. Then you only have to reply to 1 per discussion board, 1 student per discussion board by Sunday. So that's 1 post and 1 reply for each discussion board. Now, one of the discussion boards, I want you guys to watch the ending speech that I posted of Other People's Money. And this is an older movie from the 1980s. Whoa, a long time ago, I know. And it stars Gregory Peck and Danny DeVito. Danny DeVito is a Wall Street investor, a shark, if you will, that comes in, disassembles companies, and sells off the profits. And Gregory Peck is the owner of this family business. This business manufactures wire. And Danny DeVito gives a great speech at the end. So what happens is Gregory Peck, you'll see he appeals to the workers. He makes Danny DeVito out to be a bad guy, that, hey, we are all here for our jobs, and we are a family. Let's stick together and not let this outsider tear our family apart. Danny DeVito comes in, and he appeals more to the logic. He says, hey, you have a growing share of a shrinking market. They manufacture wire. And Danny DeVito says, have you heard of fiber optics? That's what he means. A growing share. You have a great big share of the wire industry. However, the market is shrinking. And he gives the example that, hey, I'm sure the last guy that made buggy whips was the best company that made buggy whips. However, there's no more need. So I want you to, in your discussion board there, think about a company that you've seen that happen to. And I'll throw one out there. How about Polaroid cameras? They were the best at that instant film. You remember shaking the film? You had to get that Polaroid. However, where are they now? Huh? They were the best. And they had the growing share of a shrinking market. I can name off a dozen right now, but I'm going to let you guys come up with some. And be creative on that. That is a perfect example of how change, or lack of change, will fail a company in a heartbeat. If change outside the organization is occurring greater than the change inside the organization, you will fail. So think about that. Okay. Once again, this is Dave, and Dave up.